Hey everyone, let's talk about something that's become really important for any company that handles customer data, especially if you're in the cloud or SaaS world, and that's SOC 2. So what exactly is SOC 2? SOC 2 stands for Service Organization Control 2. It's a security and privacy framework created by the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants, or AICPA. Even though it's not a legal requirement, it's widely adopted, especially by companies that provide tech services, because it helps prove that you're protecting customer data responsibly. SOC 2 is based on what's called the Trust Services Criteria, 5 principles that define what good data protection looks like. Here they are. Security. Are your systems protected from unauthorized access? Availability. Are your services reliable and available when users need them? Processing integrity. Are your operations accurate, timely, and authorized? Confidentiality. Is sensitive business information kept private? Privacy. Are you handling personal information the right way? Most companies start by focusing on security, then expand into the others over time. Now there are 2 types of SOC 2 reports. Type I checks if your controls are well designed at a specific point in time. Type 2 goes a step further. It looks at how effective those controls are over a period of time, usually a few months. Type 2 is the one most companies aim for, especially if you're selling to enterprise clients, because it shows you're not just claiming to be secure, you're actually proving it over time. So why does SOC 2 matter? In today's world, customers, partners, and even investors want to know, can we trust you with our data? SOC 2 helps you answer that question with evidence, a third-party audit report that shows your systems and processes meet industry standards for security. Now how do you actually get SOC 2 certified? Here's a simple breakdown. Start with a readiness assessment. Figure out what's missing. Put the right policies and controls in place, things like access controls, monitoring, encryption, backups. Work with a licensed auditor, typically a CPA firm. Provide evidence, screenshots, system logs, documentation, and so on. Get your SOC 2 report, and that's what you share with customers, usually under NDA. Now, if that sounds like a lot, don't worry. There are tools like Vanta, Drata, and SecureFirm that help automate much of the process. They connect to your systems, track compliance, and make audit prep way easier. To wrap things up, SOC 2 isn't just about passing an audit. It's about building trust, winning deals, and showing that you take data security seriously. And in today's environment, that trust is everything. So, why not hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech insights? Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.